Now children, today let's start with unit 4, that is Discover India. Let's study with chapter number 42. The crown of a palace is the Taj Mahal. Right? So, complete the following crosswords on the Taj Mahal using the clues given. The place in Rajasthan where the stone was used to build the Taj was brought. The river on which the Taj Mahal stands, that is Yamuna. The city on which Taj Mahal is located, Agra. The stone used to build the Taj is Marman. Now the Taj Mahal was built in the memory of किसकी memory में build करा था? मुमताज की. The number of years it took. How many years? किसने बनाया था ताज महल? हमारा क्या शाहजहां. It took 20 years. Now this chapter has been completed. Let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 43. Search the tourist places. Famous tourist places in India are given. You have to full here. Second is hill station of Uttarakhand. That is Mussoorie. Hill station of Himachal Pradesh. Land of oranges, Nagpur. Land of finest beaches, previously known as Indraprasth. Birthplace of Lord Kiss. Delhi, Amritsar. Here is the Amritsar. You can see here, Amritsar. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 44, Languages of India. So, India is a country with more than 141.72 million people. The second most populous country here. It is divided into 28 states and 8 UT. Right? Although Hindi is the national language, India has about 1652 mother tongue, out of which 33 are spoken, more than 1 lakh people. 8 शेड्यूल जो आपका इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, उसने आपकी 22 रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस को क्या करा है? रिकॉग्नाइज करा है. Now right here the languages are given. You can say Hindi, 50 करोड़ लोग बोलते हैं. यूपी, एमपी, बिहार, राजस्थान, हरियाणा, छत्तीसगढ़ में. फिर बंगाली 20 करोड़, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा. उर्दू 10 करोड़, पंजाबी 10 करोड़, तेलुगु 8 करोड़, असामीज 2.5 करोड़, तमिल 6 करोड़, गुजराती 4 करोड़, कन्नड़ 5 करोड़, मलयालम 4 करोड़, उड़िया आपकी 4 करोड़ और मराठी 7.5 करोड़. द लैंग्वेजेस कोंकणी, Kashmiri or Nepali. They are spoken about 40 lakh people. Any regional language there like Manipuri, Santhali, Maithili, Dogri or Sanskrit or both. Now let's study about the chapter number 45. That is Great Men, Great Deeds. First is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, known as Father of Nation, को हम Father of Nation कहते हैं. He made India free from British rule. और इन्होंने non-violence का यूज़ करा. Then we have पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर. पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर है हमारे फ्री इंडिया के. इनको हम चाचा नेहरू कहते हैं. इनका बर्थडे कब सेलिब्रेट होता है? और चिल्ड्रंस डे. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, ही इज द फर्स्ट डिप्टी प्राइम मिनिस्टर. इनको हम आयरन मैन भी कहते हैं. राइट. Next is Lal Bahadur Shastri, second Prime Minister of India. Second Prime Minister, he gave slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. He was awarded Bharat Ratan post मतलब बनने के बाद मिला था इनके. S. Radhakrishnan, second President of India, great teacher and philosopher. जिनका बर्थडे है वो ऐसा सेलिब्रेट करता है टीचर से. इनको भारत रत्न मिला था. देन डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम, फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, अ ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट, को मिसाइल मैन कहते हैं, एंड ही गॉट भारत रत्न in 1996. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 46, that is Cool Hill Station. So Gaurav and Neha has decided to go to hill station away from the scorching heat of death. Because they have went to different hill station. Let's learn about them. Dash is located, this is Dash, it is located in Dash. The Kempty Fall near this place is beautiful sight. This is Dash, it is located in Dash, lovely hill station in South India. It is Dash, located in Kullu Dashara, is held near the place that is Kullu, Himachal. This is that, it is located in Jim Corbett National Park, is not very far away from there. Nainital.
Sian. See, by busy.
This is that, it is located in the famous Fort Toy Train, West Bengal. This is this, it is located in the famous Sikaras floating in the Dal Lake. That is Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir.
It is.
Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 47, our food. We need food to grow and keep health. Food like milk and cheese makes our bones and muscles strong. रोटी, राइस, दाल ये हमें एनर्जी देते हैं. फ्रूट्स और जो वेजिटेबल्स होते हैं प्रोटेक्टिंग फूड होते हैं, ये हमें डिजीज से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. राइट, नेम द फॉलोइंग फूड आइटम. फर्स्ट इज पिज्जा. दिस इज ढोकला. This is hamburger. This is dosa. Ice cream. This is chow mein. This is samosa. ये क्या आपका दाल, रोटी, राइस. This one is rasgulla. Now let's move to the next chapter. 48, so spicy. So the following are some of the spices that we use to make our food tastier. So let's study about these spices. This one is clove. This is black pepper. Rice. This is cardamom. This is fenugreek seeds. This is turmeric. Next one is cinnamon. Seventh one is coriander. and eighth one is Chili's. Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 49. India's largest, longest and highest. So largest desert is Thar Desert. Longest river, freshwater lake is Where Lake. Desert is Thar Desert. Longest river is Ganga. Freshwater lake is Where Lake. Highest tower, highest dam, टीवी डैम. हाईएस्ट कॉरिडोर, लॉन्गेस्ट कॉरिडोर कौन सा है? सिलीगुड़ी कॉरिडोर जो वेस्ट बंगाल में. टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग कुतुब मीनार. और जो लॉन्गेस्ट रोड है वो NH44, ओल्ड NH7. इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रेन कौन सी है आपकी? Imperial. Now our unit 4 has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.